Learning Package, Day 1. Imagination and Jian exercise. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Imagine you are sitting in a beautiful garden full of colorful flowers. The air is fresh, birds are singing, and the sun is gently warming your skin. Now visualize yourself learning something new, something that will make your life better today. Slowly open your eyes and get ready to explore today's learning package. Word of the day, eloquent. Best for understanding, expressing yourself clearly and beautifully in speech or writing. Example, she gave an eloquent speech that moved the audience to tears. Usage, if you speak eloquently, people listen and respect your words. Kitchen tip of the day. Want soft rotis? Knead the dough with warm water and let it rest for 30 minutes. Gardening tip. Use banana peels as a natural fertilizer. They boost plant growth and make your soil healthy. Health tip. Feeling tired? Drink coconut water. It hydrates you and gives instant energy. Technology tip. Want faster charging? Put your phone on airplane mode while charging. Productivity tip. Use the 5-minute rule. If a task takes less than 5 minutes, do it immediately. Learning of the day, how to write a perfect email. Step 1, start with a clear subject line, e.g., meeting update March 5. Step 2, use a polite greeting, dear sir, madam, or hello name. Step 3, keep the email short and to the point. Step 4, end with a thank you and a signature. Example, subject, request for meeting schedule. Dear name, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to confirm our meeting schedule for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Please let me know if this time works for you. Looking forward to your response. Best regards. Book of the Day, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Inside the book, this book teaches how small habits can change your life. What we learn from it, small habits lead to big results. Focus on systems, not just goals. Make good habits easy and bad habits difficult. K-drama of the day, It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Inside the drama, a beautiful story about a caregiver and a writer with emotional struggles. A must-watch for deep storytelling and emotions. Travel destination of the day, Udaipur, India. History. Known as the City of Lakes, Udaipur is famous for its royal palaces and rich culture. Things to try. Boat ride in Lake Pichola. Visit City Palace. Try traditional Rajasthani food. Creative challenge of the day. If you love art, create a painting of a sunset where the sun looks like a golden ball touching the water. Share it on social media and tag me. Let's see how creative you can be. Learning is a journey, not a race. Each small step you take today brings you closer to success. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and be part of this amazing learning family. Your growth is my happiness.